Namaste everyone, myself Sisir Rengme and welcome to Journey to Austria. In this video, I am going to help you about the uh, process about how to book RP appointment. Basically, for international students who is applying from India or Nepal, you have to book appointment for RP interview. And what are the necessary documents we have to submit to book RP appointment? So 3 days ago, I have emailed Austrian Embassy New Delhi, and they told me we have to submit three documents to book RP. Okay, number one, a valid offer letter. You must provide a valid offer letter from your university to book an RP appointment. Number two, email correspondence with the university. Your name must be visible. Okay, basically this is the conversation between you and the university via email or via any social media like WhatsApp. Basically, official conversation is done via email, and you have also done it. So you have to provide a proof that you are applying yourself. You are not getting help from any agent or consultancy. They want you. They want a proof that you are applying by yourself. Okay, and number three is a copy of valid passport. So if you submit these three documents to Austrian Embassy New Delhi or to their email, then you can easily book a RP interview appointment. Okay, thank you. If you have any queries regarding this topic, then please do comment. Thanks.